the payment from your client right now?
Sometimes I have to use through a friend and all that.
Okay. Oh, okay, no problem.
Yeah.
And can you tell me your what's the experience about your Google Ads, which you nurture, I mean yourself? So
Uh, quite first, I am not like a good Google ad expertise,
yeah,
and
yeah,
but
yeah.
with your help, yeah, you make me all this account and how to so I think it's getting better. My
Oh,
experience is getting better
actually,
with you because
bro. Actually, I just suddenly saw tomorrow. Okay, I mean yesterday, and I'm shocked. Actually,
yeah,
you spend a lot of money there. Okay, and I saw
yeah,
the little bit
yeah,
problem has occurs, and that's why I'm telling you because you are my like 3 or 4 clients, so that's why I'm telling you honestly.
yeah.
Uh, so I hope it will be benefited when I clear this problem. Uh, so
Yes, yes.
I will tell you. Okay, just a minute. Yeah. So, balance is exhausted. Oh, okay. Your balance is.
No, no, no. They have balance. That was before.
Hmm.
Yeah.
This is here you can see the optimized score is dropped 10%. Yeah, that set up the conversion
Yes, I see
tracking.
that.
Here is the problem and protect your account from the unauthorized activity. I hope here's I mean without knowing you, here's some unauthorized activities are happening. So that's why it can be harmful for us in future. Okay, and
Yeah.
so that's why if you want, so we can solve this. Uh, so here's the problem and analytics. Little
Yeah,
bit.
because I think because I stopped. There was a conversion tracking, and I stopped because I don't need that
Okay.
anymore.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's good. No problem. But little bit. Hmm. You spent the 5.79k euros, and I hope this amount is a big amount uh, for your business. And so I hope it will be very grateful if we optimize it and as well as if we research on it. So I hope it will be better. So what do you think?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Hopefully, if we can do that, if it's better,
so
then it's
so
good, of course.
ha. So actually, after seeing the problem and after seeing the whole things, you actually I don't know. You already spent the 5.79k euros. Okay, so I'm just yesterday
Yeah.
we are showing and we actually um so we're so excited and thinking about it. So because I'm not a working condition for yourself, so that's why we are talking about your businesses, and we are decide um, we are providing my our service for your business growth at a free. Okay, because we are the long term relationship, so that's why. So I want to check
Yeah. Sure.
the new strategy on your businesses, and I hope it will be benefited because here's the Google ad expert is present. So yeah, and as well as
Okay.
I saw the one more uh, problem. So You can see your landing page. Actually, your landing page is not optimized. Not optimized. I hope you agree with me. Yes or not?
What do you when you say it's not, when you
Actually,
say it's not mostly
see,
my landing page?
I mean, royalbreeders.com. This is the landing page.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can see the
Most of the time landing.
Yes,
Yeah.
please
Most
continue.
of the time the landing page is always the available page, like the available page and all
No
that.
problem. So here you can see all settings are dismanaged, like home, about us, and it can be optimized. And as well as you can see the your this side, email, and this side, and this logo is little bit large, and this logo will be optimized if we do work about your pages, about your website. So that's why I'm telling you.
Yeah.
So Wesen, what do you think about that situation? So you can tell me about a little bit.
Just a second, please.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, Luis. Yeah. Not yet. I didn't know. Not yet.
And that I think the logo was places in landing page top of the corner.
Yeah. So I mean, I don't know if she handled it. Just call her. Let's see, because I thought everybody gets the message. Because yeah, they do that. Thank you.
Please continue.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. So you think my landing page are not optimized, are not that good to be optimized and all that?
Yeah, it can be optimized very well if you want.
Yeah. If it's gonna give me results, of course, I would like it to be optimized.
Yeah. So we are already discussing about your website and landing page. I hope you mind on it. So you are just talking about that. Your website is not well optimized because I mean, it's created by yourself, not other developer.
Yes, of course.
Yes,
of course. I try to learn this thing on sometimes
because
YouTube,
you are not the expert person, but
so,
I don't discourage you. Yeah. So you are not the expert person, but you know how to do it. How can you manage it? So you know. So that's why I'm congratulations. I want to give you the congratulations and thank you. So, but if you want to grow your business next level, I mean next level means super next level. So that's why you need to. I mean you should be well optimized and well organized, well manageable person. I mean, so that's why I hope you understand what I want to say. Yeah.
Yeah, I get it. I get it.
Yes. So I want to request you, because you know that I run the agency after since 4 or 6 months ago. So that's why I have many clients, and as well as because we have a good relation. So that's why I'm just implement our new strategy on your businesses. I believe this strategy will be worked on your businesses. So if you give me permission, so I will work for you only, not everybody. Yes or not?
Yes. Yeah. If you're working, if it's going to be good for my business, then no problem.
Yeah. So when you get the growth, when you get the order many more, so you can give me some. Yeah. So that's the later. I mean, that's the future things. No matter. So So if you tell me, so we can work on it from tomorrow. Like we will work on any issue.
Yeah.
Please continue.
Mhm. Yeah, what I would suggest is for all what you think you can do,
Yeah, manage.
just write me a message. Just
Yes,
make a
yes,
message. Just write a message and try to so that I
okay,
will
okay,
understand.
okay,
I will see it and understand and
yes,
know what is happening, and then I will then we take it from there.
yes. Of course, because you are just
Do you understand?
actually still now you are paying Google's and you are spending the lot of money. But I hope you deserve the more result from the Google ad. But you don't
Yeah,
get. But you don't
yeah,
get at the moment. So that's why I think it will be very honestable things. So that's why I'm telling you, and that's why we set up the meeting. And yeah, okay, I will send you the message, proper guideline, and proper strategy. Uh,
perfect.
after doing my partners meetings, and after that I will send you,
Yeah,
and then we will
okay.
implement it. Yeah.
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, okay. Thank you so much, and have a nice day. And okay,
a better one for you. Thank you so much. Thanks,
yes, yes,
everyone.
yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
Okay, okay,
Okay. Thank you so much.
okay.
yes. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.